First sign of rain in six or 7 weeks now, probably 7. It's not very cloudy, but there's a dark one up there. Hopefully get something. I don't think it's going to be much more than this though. Wouldn't that be something though, if we just a little bit of light rain, even for half an hour, would be fantastic. But it's like evaporating faster than it's falling. But we will technically call this precipitation. First bit since second week of June. And we're just coming up to the first week of August here. I think today's July 30th.